All right, y'all. So I went into Dollar Tree with an attempt to find some stuff for this Disney cruise, but the lines were ridiculous, and I'm really not trying to stand in line for no $3. $3. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. Your girl is super excited. So in today's video, I will be taking you behind the scenes of how to start your day with scripting so that you can start your day on the greatest, best foot. We will also talk about productivity, efficiency, and then we're going to wrap up the day with you shopping with me so that we can find some door decor for our Disney Christmas cruise. All right? So I just finished a little bit of scripting. And so just to give you an idea of the prompts that I have in my journal is that I focus on the 3 G's. Kind of just made this up to go in my flow of how I've been journaling for the last few years. And so the first thing that I do is I focus on what I'm grateful for, right? And so this morning I focused on, of course, my health, my home, my husband, my community, in terms of my home community, my clients, my CPA, especially during this time of year, my luxury LV planner, hot water, my tea, having a healthy body, also sending positive vibes over family members that are currently sick or in the hospital. Being able to be grateful for my son's daycare, for me being able to pay for daycare throughout the year, for him to have a safe daycare. I also am very grateful for individuals that are online that don't mind showing us what it takes to truly be abundant. And I called it like influencers that motivate me. Mentorship, some of my coaches, or all of my coaches for that matter. That's what I'm grateful for, along with a whole lot of other things. Then in terms of goal, my goal is to take you along with me on my day, and that I carry my camera no matter what on all day and making it fun, not just sitting here teaching, but you're going to start seeing more of the goofy side of TK. And capturing life. And then my last section is called Go All In, right? Go All In. And so for me, Go All In is in 2 parts today. It's content creation. I need to map out my calendar with my team. And then part 2 is I'm getting revved up for a therapy private practice boot camp in the middle of January, but your girl is taking off after next Saturday. For about 2 weeks, we're shutting down, focusing on the holiday and family and self-care, reset and recharge. And so I need to get together some standard operating procedures for our launch so that my team can continue working on what they need to work on until next week. And then they're taking a break too. So let's go ahead and go downstairs to his office. But first, your girl gotta drink her tea. Oh, and what's in this tea? Hot water, lemon, green tea, the jade that actually goes into Starbucks medicine ball. I ain't got the peach today, nor do I want the lemonade today. So I'm not gonna make my own medicine ball. And then I also have the Herbalife aloe concentration just for like digestion, gotta keep it right. But this is my tea for today. All right, y'all. All right, so I am in my office, a true transparency moment. My office is a hot mess. And so currently recording on my iPhone versus my camera, so I can't really flip it over. So I'm gonna show you like from behind me what it looks like. So I'm gonna start, like my office is a bedroom. So like right here, for example, is part of the problem. We bought multiple pieces of luggage when we went to Paris. Because we needed new luggage, because that flowery luggage, it was having a difficult time like closing, even though I could still use it, but just more on like short-term trips where if it break, I can run to the outlet or something, get another suitcase. But we have to put away all of these suitcases. And honestly, we don't have any room for them anymore. Then I need to, that part over there is cool. I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the things that I purchased on Black Friday on one of the days of Vlogmas. And then if you come over, I really need to figure out a way to like organize this IKEA situation because it's starting to get a little congested. As you can see, it has like all of my Mickey Mouse ears, a lot of shoes that I wear when I am in psychologist mode, going out into the community. But I don't really wear that stuff. So, and then this is my desk. And my desk is not too bad. I need to figure out a way to I know what to do, but I need to purchase the items from Amazon to get all these cords wrapped up. The reason why they are all over the place is because I keep taking out my laptop or all of my materials, like when I'm working in the community or I'm traveling. I've been traveling a lot in the last 2 months. And then moving back here, it's like bags and stuff from my unboxing when I went out of town. Y'all, like my gaming chair with a massage, and even a footrest that I have on the bottom. But this is what I sit in. And then this is probably the prettiest part, of course, because it's the part that people see when I'm on video. And so I need to actually straighten up just a little bit. But I actually need to get ready also in the next 26 minutes for three 20-minute goal setting sessions with my new clients. I have a mastermind program in which clinicians, therapists get together from all over the country in the United States so that we can mastermind throughout the year starting in January. But I always like to kick off the year by helping them plan out what do they want their next few months to look like. So I'll take you behind the scenes and show you what that look like. And if they are camera ready, I'll put them on camera to say hello in the Vlogmas. And so let your girl clean up for a second. All right, y'all. So I wanted to show you this. This is something that I purchased actually at Sprouts. It's Kate's Magic Aura Mist, Rain of Prosperity and Abundance Attracting Mist to bring forth good fortune. It has 2 different essential oils in there. I can never pronounce that one. Bergamot, but Bergamot. And basil 4 ounces. And so what I do is I spray about 2 to 3 sprays. It says shake well. So I shake and then I'll spray 2 to 3 times. Let me move my shake. But I'll spray like over my work area for prosperity and abundance. Hello, let me spray like 5, okay? And then let me air this out because your girl got allergies. All right. So everything is ready to go. I need to get set up to hop on the computer, looking for vitamins. Vitamins are essentially important. These are the vitamins that I had on my trip, and then I end up just taking some other ones. But usually I'll pack, for example, in terms of health, my son's little Flintstone vitamins. I need to go upstairs and take my apple cider vitamins. And then I'll have my regular multi-day vitamin. Right now I'm on a prenatal multivitamin just to get like my body ready to get pregnant kind of thing, okay? And then I'll also take vitamin D and vitamin C and another one that my doctor told me to get. I'll do a whole video. Let me know in the comments below if you're a woman and that's something that you want to hear about. I have a whole series planned out regarding infertility plus being able to manifest a child, meaning what did I have to do in order to not get my body right in terms of just health, but specifically I had to go through 2 surgeries in order to hold a child. So let me know if you're a woman and you need just some uplifting, uplifting mood in order to think positive about what's possible for you. And I know that everybody's story and walk of life is different, but I definitely want to share mine because I've shared it before on a podcast a few years ago and it really touched some hearts. So I actually want to slow it down and walk people through the entire process. And so let me know if that's something that you're interested in. And then also let me know what questions do you have about being a mom over 40. I had my first son at 38. And so I'm very blessed. I'm able to create the lifestyle that I wanted. I got my partying and stuff. I'm gonna say out the way per se, because outside of like family party and family travel, I'm good. Doesn't mean I don't like a girl trip, here and there. But let me take my vitamins and then let me get prepped for this call. Stop playing. Okay, y'all. So I just had an epic session with one of my clients for next year's mastermind. It was great. We were talking about her increasing her speaking engagement. I gave her some tools to improve her branding. And then also we talked about hiring 2 more therapists for her group practice and so many other things. So I actually just got a Instacart delivery from Albertsons and from Sam's Club. And so I'm going to run upstairs and put these groceries up while I have about 30 minutes in between my next client. But one of the things that I do love about Instacart is that I can go grocery shopping let it go, aka delegation, as a mom and business owner. And then when it gets here in between clients, I can go upstairs and do my thing. I'm gonna organize the kitchen later because it does need to be reorganized from Thanksgiving. But it feels really good to be able to still work. My husband is upstairs working as well. And then we're still able to navigate running a household. So let's go put up these groceries. All right, so what we got here, we got us some chicken, so I can eat that for lunch. Got my son some Fruity Pebbles, got myself some energy tea. My son likes to eat the chicken and turkey hot dogs. Then I got some honey for my tea, organic tea. Then for my shakes, I've been missing my spinach. So I got some spinach, got some apples, got some peaches for the kids. Got the ground turkey. Guess we're making tacos tonight. And then got my husband and son some breakfast items and some lemons for my tea. So I'm just waiting on one more order from Sprouts, which is more like my pressed juices. But as you can see, we need to clean up. We had my son's soccer team party last night. So we had the pizza box, in which we got leftover pizza. And then my mom brought home all these things for me to keep for the holiday. And there's my husband over there working, peeking. That's your picture?
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go. You have a good day at school?
Should I show my daughter my teeth?
Can you what?
Should I show my daughter my teeth?
I can't hear you. You're walking away.
Should I show my daughter my teeth?
Sure, come on.
Bye.
Bye, Avery.
Thank you. Come on. All right, y'all. So I went into Dollar Tree with an attempt to find some stuff for this Disney cruise, but the lines were ridiculous. And I'm really not trying to stand in line for no $3. So decided to get Avery a little early. Say hi.
Hi.
So this wraps up day 3 of Vlogmas. I'm about to go home, relax, do a little bit of homework, and then get cozy under the heater and just hang out with Avery for a little bit. But I will see y'all on day 4 of Vlogmas. Have a blessed day.